Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Automotive. Today we have the 2020 Volkswagen Jetta R-Line. So I did the GLI, but I wanted to do a more mid-range version of our Jetta. This has a 1.4 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder. Pyrite silver metallic is the outside color. Storm gray and black leatherette interior is obviously the interior color. So this features a 8-speed automatic with Tiptronic, which is our manual feature. Go ahead, take a quick walk around. Here's your key. Nice basic Volkswagen key. Sticker price for this one is just over $24,000, which is an excellent price. Great interior. Touchscreen, all the features you would ever need. The steering wheel cover. Sunroof. Really nice. Here's your Tiptronic, so you can normal drive, push down for sport. You do have a manual mode, so you can upshift, downshift, put it in normal drive. With the R design, you have the nice little R logo at the bottom of the steering wheel. You do also have auto start stop. Well, there we go. Turned it back on and it activates. Overall, the car has very great chassis dynamics. It's a very fun car to drive. If you do want a little bit more of a sporty experience, we do offer the Jetta GLI. I drove that 2 days ago now. The video should be going live 2 days before this one. Don't hold me to that, just in case of editing issues. But this is just as fun to drive, honestly. The GLI has a bit more of performance-oriented features. Has a different motor. You can get a manual transmission, everything that you need. But if you want a really nice commuter car that has good amount of luxury features for the market and the price point, this is a great option. You do have forward collision warning. I was gonna try to test it there, but I've driven this for about 20 minutes, so I'm not exactly used to the braking, so I don't want to test it to its potential. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please stay tuned for future content and have a great day.